Good morning, students. Hope you all are happy, safe, and healthy at your place. Students, today we are going to study Class 8, Chapter 10 Civics, Law and Social Justice, Part 2. What is workers' worth? Foreign companies set up its plant in India for cheaper labor. Wages in USA are higher than that compared to workers in poorer countries like in India. For lower pay, companies can get longer hours of work. Cost cutting can be done by other more dangerous means. For example, lower working conditions, including lower safety measures, are used as ways of cutting cost. Additional expenses like on housing facilities for workers are also less. Since there is as much unemployment, there are many workers who are willing to work in unsafe conditions in return for a low wage. One worker can be easily replaced by the another. Let's understand about the law. A law can help. A law can protect. A law can provide safety to customer, producer, and victims of natural and man-made disaster. New laws to protect the environment. In 1984, there were very few laws protecting environment in India, and there was hardly any enforcement of these laws. Environment was treated as a free entity and industry could pollute the air and water without any restrictions. The government is responsible for setting up laws and procedures that can check pollution, clean rivers, and introduce heavy fines for those who pollute the environment in any way. The Supreme Court held that the right to life is a fundamental right under Article 21. It includes the right to pollution free air and water. Recently, by invoking Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Namami Gange, and Rally for Rivers, government has shown its commitment towards environment protection. Environment as a public facility. Environment issue in India has highlighted the fact that the growing concern for the environment among the middle classes is often at the expense of the poor. When the city is cleaned as part of beautification drive or a polluting factory is relocated, it is the poor who suffers. The challenge is to look for solutions where everyone can benefit from a clean environment. The government has to encourage and support factories to gradually move to cleaner technologies. This will ensure that the workers' livelihood are protected and both workers and communities living around the factories enjoy a safe environment. Conclusion. Laws are necessary in many situations, whether this be the market, office, or factory, so as to protect people from unfair practices. Laws that are weak and purely enforced can cause serious harm. While the government has a leading role in the respect, people can exert pressure so that both private companies and the government act in the interest of society. Here the role has to be played by government by making better policies and by implementing them in effective manner. So in this way, government play a major role in ensuring social justice by making and enforcing stronger laws. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.